How do I determine when to replace a wireless oxygen gas sensing element? If it's been a few months since you've used your oxygen gas sensor, or you're noticing that the data is not responding as you expect, it may be time to replace the sensing element. And as a standard procedure, it's always best to calibrate the sensor in open air after its 3-minute warm-up period. I've got my wireless oxygen gas sensor connected in Sparkvue here, and I can see in the live data bar, got a lot of variation in the reading. And the last run ended at 20.2%, so it's a bit low. So I'm going to calibrate the measurement. I'm going to click on the live data bar and select Calibrate Measurement. I'm going to use the default standard 1-point slope. I can click Next, and I can use 20.9 as my standard value as I'm in open air. The sensor value is reading much lower than 20% at 0.2%. So I'm going to go ahead and set calibration and see what happens. And I get a warning that says oxygen sensing element needs replacement. A sensing element is still good if the restored factory calibration reading is in the range of 15.5 to 26%. But this sensing element is outside of that range. We saw that it was 0.2%. And that's why I'm getting this warning to replace the sensing element. So I'm going to click OK. If you don't have a new sensing unit on hand, go ahead and click Apply and exit the menu. You'll still be able to collect data, but it will be less accurate because the sensing element needs to be replaced. Visit PASCO.com to purchase an oxygen gas replacement sensing unit. Now let me show you how to change the sensing unit if it is outside of the range. Untwist the snout. Be cautious around the flap that is a sensor. Gently remove the old sensing element and get your new element. Again, being cautious around the flap. Line up the pins. Gently push the sensing element into the sensor, all the way in. Again, using caution around the flap when you put the snout back on. And when you're closing and twisting that snout back on, just a barely hand tight is good. Then you'll want to calibrate after adding the new element.